Ultraloq UL1 is a perfect smart lock for everyone. Your smart home starts with Ultraloq Smart Lock. Ultraloq UL1 is solid and compact, but integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies. Thanks to dual battery technology, you can simply replace batteries even from outside. You can use Fingerprint, keycard, or smartphone to unlock. Ultraloq Bridge allows you to share access and control your Ultraloq remotely. It is simple to install with just a screwdriver. Ultraloq. Simplify your security.